Ceramics. What are ceramics? Ceramics are all those articles which are essentially silicates. That is, they consist of silica. In a restricted sense, all those things which are made up of clay are known as ceramics. The term ceramics was derived from the old Greek word keramos. Keramos means pottery, and the root of keramos is in a Sanskrit word which means to burn. Ceramics are therefore also known as clay products or pottery products. Today, we understand the word ceramics um, not only as the manufacturer of pottery articles but also as the manufacturer of all those articles and products in which clay or a similar plastic raw material is used. This material, after being manufactured, is given a definite shape and dried. Uh, After having been shaped and dried, these articles are subjected to a firing process. Firing process here means a burning process in a uh, heat to make them hard or to give them the desired mechanical strength. Uh, the definition of ceramic is therefore broad and covers a large variety of products such as tableware, crockery, decorative ware, sanitary ware, and industrial ware. Uh, Ceramic products are extensively used. For example, they are used in the construction and decoration of buildings in the form of bricks and tiles. Nowadays, you will find all the buildings, the front of the buildings, especially decorated in different types of tiles. They are used in the manufacture of metals, which are used as refractory materials. They are used in the manufacture of chemical products such as stoneware and porcelain products. They are also used in drainage system of water and sewage. That is the stoneware used in the drainage system, and ceramics are also used in the sanitation field as earthenware or vitreous china for making up of wash basins and commodes, etc. They are also used as insulators in the electrical industries, for example, porcelain and steatite. The pottery branch of ceramic industry uh, supplies us with the various domestic requirements from kitchen to the dining room, for example, porcelain, china ware, earthenware, etc. Also, on the other hand, all types of ceramic materials are used from terracotta to fine china in the manufacture of artwares. Glass, cement, and plastics can also be included in the ceramic materials in the broader sense. Therefore, we can conclude that ceramics is that branch of technology which deals with the manufacture of articles, that ceramic articles to be exact, the technical characteristics and the raw materials used. Silicate industry has several independent branches, uh, of which the most important are the manufacture of ceramics and refractories. Um, Ceramic materials and wares can be divided into basic groups according to the main field of use. The first such group is known as the structural ceramics. Structural ceramics are those articles which are used mainly in the construction of buildings and various other structures. Uh, for example, building bricks. Bricks can be common bricks or brick block, hollow tiles, roof tiles, drain tiles, etc. Also, rock quartz such as ceramic slabs for floors, sewer pipes, etc. The second type of group is known as the facing material. These are the articles which are used for the internal and external facing of buildings and structures. For example, facing bricks and slabs and even oven tiles. The third group in this materials of ceramics are known as the refractories. Refractories are those materials which retain their mechanical properties even at a temperature of 1000 degrees centigrade or even higher. Refractories are used in making various parts of industrial furnaces, ovens, and for apparatus for operating at high temperatures. The next group of ceramics is known as the fine ceramics. This group includes the porcelain wares and glazed pottery. The articles in this group are mostly used for domestic purposes, such as dishes in the kitchen, for making wash basins, sinks, decorative articles. They are for electrical purposes. They are used as electro-technical porcelain, and the articles in this group also includes those articles which are used in laboratories, for example, chemical wares and apparatus. The last group of ceramics are known as the special ceramics. This group includes articles with specific properties. That is, this is a group of articles with specific properties which are utilized in some specific industry. For example, in radio industry, on aviation industries, instruments used in aviation industries, instruments used in lab, etc. Therefore, this is a special type of group.